In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive sharing links that aren't working. We all know how frustrating it can be when you've spent hours working on a document and suddenly can't share it as effortlessly as you'd like. Don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue so your links work smoothly every time. First, head over to your Google Drive homepage. This is your starting point where all the action happens. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so with the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, as this can sometimes cause conflicts with sharing. Once on the homepage, locate the specific file you want to share. It's important to select the right file because sending the wrong link can cause confusion for anyone you're collaborating with. After finding your file, click on it to highlight it. Then, look for the share icon, which usually appears as a little person with a plus sign at the top right of the page. Clicking this icon opens your sharing settings, which is a critical part of fixing the link. Inside the sharing menu, review the access permissions carefully. Make sure the file is set to anyone with the link. This step is vital because if the file is still set to restricted, only specified users can access it, which is often the cause of the sharing error. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the sharing process and cause errors. Even if everything else seems fine, a quick reset of your router or switching networks can sometimes resolve the problem instantly. If the issue persists, it's time to check your browser settings. Click on the slider or menu icon in your browser and navigate to Site Settings. Here, regularly clearing cache, cookies, and temporary files is essential because outdated or corrupted browser data can prevent links from functioning properly. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your files in Google Drive. It only refreshes your browser data so it can interact correctly with Google servers. Finally, if you're still encountering problems, try accessing the link in an incognito window or a different browser. This can help identify whether extensions, ad blockers, or cached data are interfering with sharing. By following these steps, checking permissions, stabilizing your internet, clearing browser data, and testing in incognito mode, you'll resolve most Google Drive sharing link issues. Once fixed, you can enjoy seamless collaboration, sharing documents with anyone instantly and without errors. Thank you for watching and happy sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Google Drive tips and troubleshooting guides.